Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah, and in today's video we are going to be doing a unboxing slash review video on the Beats Studio 3 Wireless. This is the way it looks. I have not taken it out of the packaging yet, but this is the way it looks. And in today's video we're going to take it out of the packaging, see how it comes, see if the price is worth it. I believe I paid about $275 for it. I got mine off of Amazon. You can definitely get it from different stores. We're going to see if it's worth it. These are the Beats by Dre. So these headphones are supposed to be noise canceling. We're going to test that out, see how noise canceling it is and if it's really good quality or not. It says the battery life is up to 22 hours if noise cancellation is on, and if it's off then it's supposed to last about 40 hours. It says fast fuel 10-minute charging is 3 hours of play. That's really good if that's true. On-ear controls for music and calls, and built-in microphone for voice. And then also you can turn the noise cancellation off for low power mode. That is what it says on the back. So again, the packaging, that's what the headphones are supposed to look like. That is the packaging. It is really nice color. I got shadow gray is the color I got. They have a bunch of different other options you can look at, but that's the option I chose to get. So now we're going to unbox it. All right. This is satisfying. I have not even opened these yet. This is being opened for the first time on video. So take the plastic off. Whoa. Okay, but this is a better view of the box. Dr. Dre's signature right there. So far it looks really nice. It shows what comes with at the bottom, the wires, and then it says it's made for Apple TV, iPhone, iPad, iPod, and then it has a little Android symbol in the corner. So I don't know if they're mainly made for Apple products and they do work on Samsung products or Android products, but that's what it's looking like. Now comes, okay, so you slide up, it looks like. So we're going to pull, whoa, pull it. And then this part comes off. So this is what it looks like now. So it just has the Beats symbol and the rest is just gray. So I'm guessing, yeah, we're just going to take the cover off. I wish I had a dust to do this, guys. Okay, so we're just gonna take the cover off. And it has a little message. It says change the way you hear sound with the Beats logo. It is very nice packaging, I will say that, but also for $270, it needs to be nice packaging. So, whoa, I didn't expect that. I did not expect it to come in something. I actually just expected the headphones. I don't know much about Beats, so this is just truly my raw, authentic reaction. And then the rest of the box is just empty, I believe. Oh wait, no, it can't be. I'm a liar. There must be more underneath, I'm guessing, because there's a pull-out. Yeah, there's more underneath. Then it comes with this inside. It comes with, I'm guessing, a charging wire or call wire or whatever that is. That's what it shows. And it comes with this, the red Beat symbol. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. There's a lot. I'm guessing it's just like the paperwork and the instructions. Yeah. So it's just a bunch of like paperwork that goes with it, and then just the Beats logo, that sticker. Then it comes with, oh, this is the charging wire. This is a call wire, I'm guessing. It comes with two different separate wires. I'm not really 100% sure. One says fast fuel 10-minute charge, 3+ hours play. The other one just has a call signal. So I'm guessing that's what the difference is. And then it comes with this like keychain thing that says Beats. Yeah, I didn't know that, but, and I believe that is the rest. Yeah, that is everything that comes in the Beats container. First things first is we're going to take the Beats out of its case to see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's just case in the headphones. Very simple, comes like this. It says Beats, then it says Studio 3 there, and it says wireless on the other side. And yeah, this is how they look. And they feel very soft and cushiony. This side comes with something that says controls for wireless mode, and then it tells you to remove it. I'm not gonna remove it just yet, just so I can understand what the controls are, then I'll remove it. But I'm gonna test how it feels on my head. There is where you can extend it, which is really, really cool. They feel good. It's very hard to hear myself as it is, so I don't know if I'm talking loud or quiet. I can definitely tell the noise canceling, the noise cancellation is gonna be really good. I have to take them off because I cannot hear myself. But the fit is really well, and when I tell you so far they seem really good noise canceling, they really do. So at the bottom it says charge me up. So while we look at the rest of the stuff, I'm going to charge it. We have, I'm guessing again, the fast fuel charging wire. So while I'm looking at the rest of the stuff, that should be plenty of time. I forget what this one's called, but it's just that type of wire. I think it's, is it micro USB? I don't know, something like that. But it's some sort of wire like that. You just plug it in, and I'm going to plug it in while we continue looking at the rest of the stuff for the video. I just plugs it into my computer for its charge, and at the bottom, when it charges, it's kind of hard to see, but it shows some white dots right there, showing that it is charging. So I'm gonna let it sit. At the bottom, there's also, it says remove charge me up. So I'm actually gonna remove that sticker because we know what that is for. We're going to let it charge. It looks like it already came about halfway charged, which is really good, but I'm just gonna let it charge a little bit longer while we look at the rest of the stuff. So it comes with this call wire. Okay, so that's what the call wire is. The call wire is long and it's just two of these together. So you plug it into one side and plug it into like something else. So just gonna look at the papers very quickly. One of them says, get Beats app, stay up to date. So I'm guessing there's a Beats app, and definitely I can tell this is definitely made more for iOS than it is Android, because there's just a lot more options for iOS than there is Android, but it will work for both. And then here we have, now pair with great music, try Apple Music free, see reverse for details. And you can get a free trial of Apple Music if you scan this. And then there's just a bunch of safety paperwork. But the thing I want to look the most at is the actual instructions, just to see, you know, what's up. So it comes in this like little Beats thing, and it has this long variety in this long thing. iOS 11, turn on Bluetooth, connect Beats Studio Wireless, start listening. It sounds pretty simple. There's other options. We're just gonna test it actually on my computer since I'm using my phone to film. And it just says every time you turn on the Beats, it automatically turns on noise cancellation, but you can switch it from on to off. And you can also plug it in if you'd like. On this wire with the talk, it has controls, which I think are really cool. There's an on and off and a skip. Yeah, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty self-explanatory, like any other Bluetooth headphones that you would use. So I'm actually going to unplug them now because I think they've been charging enough. They're at about 4. So I think that's good enough to test them out. So I already think the noise cancellation is going to be really good. Now it's just how good is it going to be for the price. But first, yeah, we're going to hold this button down. Okay, that's to turn it off. And if you hold the button, it should blink, and then that's how you know it's on. So So I'm going to be connecting it to Bluetooth on the screen. I'm going to be doing a screen recording showing you guys how to do it on a iPhone. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, you just go to your Bluetooth settings, select the Studio 3 Wireless, and you should just be able to connect it from there. And it says they are connected. Oh, I just heard it make a noise. I think it makes a noise once it is connected. We're just gonna put on any song right now. Wow. Hello, I cannot hear myself. I really can't hear myself. The noise cancellation so far is really good. Like, I would give it, in my personal opinion, I'd give it about a 9 out of 10 because it is really good, like really good. Like I could not hear myself talk. The quality for the actual sound is really good as well. It's very crisp, it's very clear, it sounds really, really good. I'm gonna go to my editing software and I'm gonna test how the sound is with that, just to see if it still sounds really good with the editing software that I have. Okay guys, I am in love. I'm in love. I definitely so far think it's worth the price. It's the quality is really good, especially if you're a video editor like I am. You can hear every aspect of the video. You can hear the little noises in the background. You can hear just everything in really high quality. And so far, I definitely think it's worth it. And it comes with all these really cool things. We're actually going to test the other features. I just realized I haven't tested the controls yet. So I'm gonna take this off. It shows what the controls are. So the power button again is right there. You hold it to turn it on and you hold it to turn it off. And again, the up button right here is to higher the volume. The button right here is to lower the volume. And this is to answer calls or pause or unpause a video. And everything works really well. It is a very comfortable fit. The only other thing I want to test is it with the wire. So we're going to plug it in right here. And I'm going to plug this into my computer. I know a lot of phones and devices nowadays don't have a headphone jack. I think it's really cool that they are wireless, but it also gives you the option to have a wire if your device has a wire option or a headphone jack and you want to use it. And also it comes with these buttons right here, and I want to see if they work and how they are. Guys, do you hear how loud that is? And that is with the wire. So we're going to press the buttons are not working. So it doesn't look like the buttons on the wire is going to work unless you have an iOS device, which again is a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. I do have an iPad, but it's not really working right now, so I can't really test out if that is true, if it's just the fact that it's not an iOS device. But yeah, I tested the buttons multiple times and it wasn't working. So it looks like you have to have some form of an iOS device in order to use the button. So it looks like there's a built-in microphone in it. So we're going to test out how well the microphone works without the wire, and then we're going to test it and see if the wire works. It might not, because we already discussed that the wire features looks like it only works with iOS devices, but we're going to test it out. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. We're gonna see how good the quality of the Beats sounds. Okay, and now here's the tester. 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. We're gonna see how good the quality of the Beats sounds. To me, the quality sounds really good. Like, the quality of the microphone on here sounds really clear, really good. So I think the microphone in here is really good. Now we're going to test the wired microphone. Like I said, it might not work unless you're using an iOS device. So that will be definitely a bummer if it doesn't work. But we're gonna test it out just to see. So I'll plug it back in. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Trying to see if the microphone that is wired sounds good or not, or if it works at all. 3 testing. Hello, 1, 2, 3 testing. Trying to see if the microphone that is wired sounds good or not, or if it works at all. Okay, so the microphone does work, which is still weird to me that the buttons don't work, but the microphone works. So if you guys can see, the quality is definitely a little bit worse than without this type of microphone. Also, the wire doesn't go too far, so you can't really hold it super above your mouth. I mean, you can, but you kind of got to pull it a little bit versus it being like here where you can kind of talk like this. So that's one thing I would say about it, is it's very close to your mouth regardless. But I think the quality is just less, it's lower, it makes more sense. I'm guessing the microphone built into the actual headphones is better quality. So I believe we tested all of the features. The only thing I'm not going to be able to test, at least in this video, is the battery life, if it is truly going to last 22 hours. But maybe in a future video I will test the battery life and see how that is. I will say that the battery looks like it's lasting long. It did charge fast, so I think it's probably gonna last a while. To sum up the video, I think the Beats are a really, really good quality pair of headphones. They are definitely on the pricey side, being when I bought it being about $270 something. So it definitely is a pricey pair of headphones. There definitely are even pricier headphones than these. But I would say I am happy I got them. I think they are definitely worth it. I think if you are really excited about the wired feature, then I would make sure that you at least have some sort of iOS device that has the ability to use wired headphones or a headphone jack. But overall, I think it's a really good pair of headphones. I do not regret getting them. The packaging was super cute and super nice, and I think the headphone quality is really good. I really like the buttons here, having these buttons here that work really nicely, and I do like that it comes with a wire because you can still use it even if the buttons don't work. You can still use the the actual wired feature. So yeah, I still definitely would recommend. I would rate it overall probably a 7.5, 8 out of 10. The noise cancellation is really, really good. I would say that's about a 9 out of 10. I don't think you need it, any more. I think it gave what it should be giving. For me, this fit nicely in my price range, and it works really well, and it's perfect for what I do for a living and just my everyday use. So I definitely recommend these headphones, and I do think that they are worth it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I can do more videos like this one, doing reviews and life hacks and stuff that can help better your life and make your life a little bit easier for you. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below any other video ideas that you have, anything else you'd like me to test out, or any life hacks you want to see, or just any videos in general that you would like to see from me. My Instagram is @savanahpacheco, and my business Instagram, if you're interested in purchasing an intro, outro banner, YouTube video editing, thumbnails, anything like that from me, would be Intros by Sav. I'll also have the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.